Friday, just a unique way of us coming here and literally just attracting those that God has designed for what we do. This is a very big space. And one of the things I'm very good at, I love sharing information. All right. I said, put on big on the chat. You guys big? Right. Put on big. I'm big on the chat. Okay. Yeah. I got a lot of that. You know, what you say is what you are that you do. All right. And I've been in this space right now. I believe in truth. Okay. Because there's something about the scripture that says you may know the truth. It will make you free. Over the years, what has really made me good at what I do is I am geared towards working with truth. All right. And truth is reality. Now, a lot of people, I'm in a space where a lot of people got started the way I got started, but majority ended their journey in losses, in pain. All right. A lot of people have tried trading Forex. Forex is one of the best things that happen. It's actually, when it comes to service to many, it's the best thing that happened to me. But I could tell you guys, a little did I know that one industry I never loved. And I'll tell you guys, the reason I didn't love this space is still truth. All right. But it is true based on what a lot of people don't know. Okay. I'd like to share with you today, you know, some of the, we're having an amazing call tomorrow, and we're going to really break it down tomorrow, the myth and fact. Now, take away fact, truth. You know, there's a difference between fact and truth. A lot of people, when you're exposed to the truth of this environment, the sufferings, the pain, you know, a lot of people have had losses in Forex and they continue to have losses. A lot of people are living in hope when it comes to Forex. And it's just because of what it is they don't know, all right? And it's so unique that there are a group of individuals in this space that are having success just simply by leveraging, all right, and having access to something very powerful. You know, I shared in one commercial I did. I'm going to be posting it. I shared something which is quite unique. How many of you have heard? Okay, just let me know by 7 on the chat if you've heard that 96% of people who come into the financial market within the first 6 months, all right, they had the experience collapse and they fall out. All right, within the first 6 months. That's a huge number. You've heard it before. Put in a 7 on the chat. Okay, put in a 7. Put 7 on the chat. One of the things a lot of people don't know, many people come into the space and majority fail. All right, and there are beautiful information that if you know today, all right, it's going to change the course of your approach to Forex. What needs to change in Forex is the approach. A lot of people are interested. A lot of people are willing. Okay, but what needs to change for the result to change is the approach. All right. Now, and I tell you that the people who are successful in trading Forex probably don't know the knowledge as against the people who fail. All right. A lot of people, they are in high race to the skill set, you know, which has been the programming and the deception in this space. And we are unraveling some truth as we educate people and liberate people, you know, with what it is we have in Pewatnation. But this is what I want you to know. The Forex market wasn't designed, all right. Can I share that today? Okay. It wasn't designed as a space to make you rich. Okay. It's not designed for people who are looking for wealth opportunity. All right. It was designed for people who leverage wealth. Okay. So you see that the reason 96% of people fail in this space is that 96% of people come in to get wealth, while the 4% they leverage on wealth. Okay. And you find out, if you do your research, you find out that 70 to 80% of the people who fail have access to the skill set. They know how to trade. All right. They have knowledge. They bought books. They bought courses. But they're not just consistent in winning because it wasn't designed, all right, for the worker bees. You know, what if I tell you guys today that, you know, I'm just trying to share these few things so that you guys have, you know, a simple grasp of why you have to be different, not just even other people. You can be different if you make a choice today, all right? There is an investor and there is a trader, okay? The skill of the trader is to trade for the investor. I'm going to break it down, not today, but I just want to give you this insight. All right. When you are a trader and you don't have the capacity of an investor, you begin, all right, by working for the investor. So there are traders who have learned this skill. They make a lot of money by leveraging over their skill set for investors. These are people who trade for the banks, hedge funds. They trade for, communities. They leverage the skill set. So they have high income. And can I tell you, the way we are programmed to learn trading and why we want to do trading is that we see these people as the success, but the true success are the investors and the capacity of leverage. Do you guys understand what I just said? Put in a 5 if you got that. If you understand what I just said. There is a line of deception that people don't understand. And it's a natural programming, all right, in the financial environment. It's the same programming the banks do, all right? It's the same programming casinos do. Club is a programming. They give you what we see is not what there is, all right? So we admire successful people, but we don't know what they do, okay? So there are 2 ways to come into the financial market. Either as a skilled trader, which means you can learn the skill to be skilled, then work, earn money, then make money. Oh my goodness. I wish you guys can just grasp this quickly. All right, I'm going to try my best. Okay, so there are stages in learning that people don't follow. The first stage, first identify. I need every one of you to put identify. This is why people don't do well. All right, and it's not sold in mentorship in most in educational system. They know people just want to learn the skill, so they offer you the skill. But do you really understand your stages? Wealth is not a mistake. It's something you have to know for you to retain it. All right. Are you guys with me? Put identify on the chat. You have to identify how you come into this market. Who are you right now? What stage are you? Are you an investor or someone who's looking to become an investor? So first stage, if you're not an investor, if you're not someone who has huge equity, all right, your approach has to be different. Your approach has to be like mine. All right. Now, some people approach the market to make money tomorrow. Okay. But they don't have the power of leverage. That's the biggest mistake in the mistake on the rampage in the financial market. People do not have equity, all right, behaving like they are the banks, okay? They're trading in the banks. Now, they're almost like thieves in the market, all right? Yeah, we sometimes, there's this word we use, rob the banks. No, that's not it, okay? I'm going to tell you guys another deep truth that's going to change it. It's either you don't want to trade Forex if you listen to this call, all right? Or you may just see the opportunity why you're going to be successful in Forex, all right? Now, when you come in and you identify that I don't have equity, which is my success, that's my long-term goal, all right, to become an equitable trader that is trading like the banks. If you don't, the next thing you want to do is leverage the skill. So you need time to leverage the skill. This is what a lot of people don't do. They don't give themselves time to learn. I've been in this space for 4 years. The Kenrimo you know today is a product of time. And time is things I must experience. You don't want to know. If you do know the things I have experienced or still experiencing, all right, you don't just want to admire my success. You want to see those level of changes I've evolved, all right? Today, I occupy the space to trade like the banks, to trade like an investor. Because why? I've taken that time. I identified my position before I came and I gave myself time. When things were rough, I was consistent because I knew what I was doing. Do you know what you're doing when it comes to trading? Or you just want to make money, or you're just looking at this as an opportunity for you to make money tomorrow. If it's not making money tomorrow, next tomorrow, oh, it's not working. And this is what happens. When people think they are not making money, they go gaga for the skill. They think they need to know more skill. No, what you don't know is that you don't understand the foundation. All right? So one thing is, when you identify your positions, okay, I need to become a skill trader. When you learn the skill, you can now leverage the skill to earn, and you earn through, I need everybody to put strategies on the chat. All right, you earn through strategy. So strategy, so I want everybody to know this today. You earn an income by working. You make money by investing. Okay, you earn an income by working. So some of you are at the stage of earning, all right? But you are operating like you're making. So some people, I want to make money. Do you have leverage to make money? That's why a lot of traders don't make money in Forex, because they don't have leverage. That's just the truth. All right. If you are at the stage of earning, what you need to focus on is leverage over the skill set with a strategy. Do that over a period of time. You're going to have enough equity to make money like the banks. Some people have not made money, but what? They are trading like they are making money. Am I communicating something? I'm just going around, all right? Part of the things a lot of people ignore in this space. And if you really focus on this, you see that that's the majority of why or your problems are elongating in trading. All right. And we've got a powerful solution. And we've tied this solution to two things. If you identify a problem, majority of the problem in the market, all right, because a lot of people are not tuned towards investors. Most of you try to make money in Forex market, but you don't have what it is to make money. We don't, when we come in initially, we don't have what it takes. If you're new today, you probably showed or bought into the idea that, oh, this, if I learn how to make 3% of my account, you bought into the idea of making money, but you didn't buy into the idea of leverage. So when you come in, you act what you think. All right. But the market was not designed. I'm going to share something powerful tomorrow. All right. And you guys take it from me today. If you come into this market, I need you guys to, many people don't know, all right, that the banks are trading, all right, with full advantage. They know what you're trading and they have the capacity to take your money from you. We're not with the same, we don't have the same leverage as the banks. I believe you guys have heard about interbanks. All right. What you're trading today, the moment you come into this market and you pick a pair and you say you buy and sell, someone sees it and say, oh, I'll make a decision to give you the buy or sell. And those people have equity. Stop trading the way you're trading. This knowledge, I'm going to break it down more tomorrow in our training. So you are at a disadvantage when you don't know. So the only thing is a discipline and character or strategy, all right, that could help you earn enough to become an investor. And that is why it's so powerful today. Another favor that this space have really rendered is the opportunity for students or people who are willing to learn this thing to leverage over equity, which is the major problem. All right. And that is one of the things we frontier in Pewatnation. All right. Because when you come in, you don't have money, you're going to do it wrong. I bet you majority of people do it wrong because they don't have money. All right. You see someone who comes in has $1,000 or $5,000. They just think in a year they're going to be multimillionaires. It can happen, but majority of the time it won't happen the way you project it. All right. You need equity to advance this space. All right. You want to trade like you are a spirit because the people who occupy this market has huge equity to control the market. Some of us will call them the market makers, the interbanks, the institutional traders. These people trade currency, not pairs. Okay, good. I heard that from a friend of mine yesterday. And if you don't learn the discipline of trading, but guess what? Many people know discipline is key, but they don't have what it takes to be disciplined because of their push, their desires. All right. So the way we approach trading in Pewatnation, this is the solution we brought, and this is what we offer traders today. Not only do we understand the terrain of success, we've been able to find a way to make other people successful. All right. So the majority of the problem we have solved by partnership. Okay. So if you're a trader today, you don't need to worry about equity that makes you emotionally disabled. There are people who are willing to give you equity to trade. The only thing they require from you is your ability, the skill set, which I talked about, which is the phase you have to learn. Learn the skill set, then leverage over investors. All right. How many of you think if you had $100,000, so let me say, I love to use this analogy. If I have $100,000, I want to give to you to trade today, and all I just need you to do, all right, is to be able to grow it 1% for me every day. Would you learn the skill set of doing 1% every day? Yes or no? I need you guys to give me a response on the chat, so I know you guys are connecting. Would you be focused? Would something push you to be disciplined to learn 1%, knowing that 1%, if I learn the skill set of 1%, I'm going to just leverage over other people's money and be successful? Are you guys with me? All right. Oh, I wasn't seeing my chat, so I thought you guys was not right. It was not right. All right, good. So if there is an access to equity, it means students can focus on the skill. True or true? Put true on the chat. So if my focus is not divided towards one of the things that pushes me into this environment, which is equity, I want to make money by all means. You want to find what can make $10, $50. We see those things online when moved. All right. Every of our sales stands up. What if we take that away? You could actually have access to 10,000, 5,000, 50,000, 100,000. And all you need, all right, is the capability of growing that equity a certain percentage. Would you be focused on the skill? True or true? All right. So if they tell you within 6 months, if you can do, I could teach you how to what? Be proper in growing 10% a month. Would you be willing to learn? Would there be an undivided attention to learn? Yes or no? All right. I believe strongly yes. And this corrects everything. All right. The need to learn the skill with a purpose, with a solution that the skill, I'm going to leverage over the skill to make money. That is what is happening in the financial space that is giving more opportunities for Forex traders to make money. There are institutions, there are funded companies that are willing to fund traders. All right. You can come in as low as $50 and you can get access to $5,000, $10,000, $100,000 in trading equity. What you need is the skill. Another beautiful thing we did with Pewatnation or our services is we know people did not have the natural ability or discipline to learn, all right, because they have needs every day. So we created a leverage environment where while we want you to learn, our first stage for you is to serve you with our knowledge, our services, and our resource. All right. So every day we trade live for you to copy our trades and make money. Now, if you can't come on live, we call trades on the chat. All right. So when you come in, we want you to get funded. You get access to funded accounts, and we would help you with the resource to pass it simply by copy and paste. Now, when you pass I showed them something. Yes, was it yesterday or today? I broke down. Okay, it was this morning. All right, because a lot of people, when you know the truth, you'll be free. Okay, I broke down the plan of a yearly trader when you follow this routine. Okay, so when you leverage and you get access to funded account and you're making withdrawals through leverage, you would learn the skill to retain it. I tell you guys, that you've earned to be able to retain it. You could come in and through leverage, you can earn it. We give you earning through leverage, but to retain it, we teach you the skill. All right. We show you the same thing that we're using to give you the knowledge so that you can retain it. You could be your own boss or bank. All right. That way you could retain the knowledge. You could retain, when you retain knowledge, you retain income. And when you retain income, if you want to move to wealth, all right, you have to do sales. Service to many leads to greatness. Today, I have streams of income, not just from trading. If I don't trade, I make money. Why? I've identified wealth. Okay, so I'm like the banks. Income comes from everywhere. Because why? I identified growth. 60% is better than 40%. All right, skill set and the strategy is 40%. What wealth is 60%. Not only do we offer you 40% to earn this wealth, we also offer you 60%. I'm just breaking it down to what we offer in Pewatnation. So if you're here today, all right, and you really want to be a credible, equitable trader, okay, we have the resources every day. So what is our resource like? What we do is when you get started, we take you through an onboarding process to first learn one thing. We don't want you to be so confused. We try to break the paradigm that has broken our attitude, made us indisciplined. First, we want you to earn money. All right. And how do we want you to do so? We give you opportunity to earn money 3 ways. All right. Through leverage. Now, there are 3 accounts when you come into our environment, and I'm breaking this down a little bit today. All right. You're going to fund an account. We don't know who you are. So I trade binary every day, multiple times. All right, Mondays through Friday. This is for people who have money to fund the binary account. And at least we know in a month you could make between 30 to 50% of your account just duplicating our trades. Everyday live session. All right. So these are for people who have money to fund. But the question is, how much are you funding? Do you have 5,000, 10,000 that if you do 2%, you're going to be satisfied? That's a whole lot of money. 2% is a whole lot of money. It's a whole lot of opportunity. But a lot of people don't appreciate it because they have $100, $1,000, probably $10,000. They don't appreciate it. All right. You have a $10,000, you do $200. Someone who has a $10,000, the lifestyle is so big, they don't appreciate $200. Okay. But true investors don't think the volume of the money, they think the opportunity in the percentage. So what we're doing is, while you are growing whatever you have, I don't know, if you appreciate that, we help you grow that money. But we also help you with a funded access for you to get equity. So you could put a $50 into a $5,000, buy a $5,000 account, and we give you trades to pass this evaluation over a period of 1, 2, or 3 months. All right, we are very patient. We're not aggressive, but patient. Now, when you get access, let's say you're trading with a $5,000 account. If you do 10% in a month, all right, and you got access with $50, your withdrawal is going to be $400 plus. Okay, so if you're trading with a $50, you never withdraw $400. But if you leverage props account, you're going to have at 10% minimum, all right, you're going to have access to what? A withdrawal of almost $400. So what you do is, all right, you could make a withdrawal. Now you have a $5,000 account. You could make a withdrawal of $400. All right, put $300 in your binary account to increase your percentage of earning and buy another account of $10,000. Okay, now you're going to have a $10,000. If you pass that in 2 months, you have a $10,000 and a $5,000, it's a total of $15,000. And now you're binary. So the goal is you make money, withdraw, increase your capacity of earning. This is called, I need everybody to put strategy, earning strategy on the chat. A lot of people want to make money, but they don't have earning strategy. All right. There needs to be an earning strategy. You have to work, all right, before you become a boss. This is how people work for the market. So when you trade every day, you're still a worker, but you're working for the market. Until you become an investor, the market is going to be working for you. Today, we are working for people. All right. If you're getting a funded account, you're working for someone who's investing in this market. Come on, wake up. All right. If you're here today, you need to wake up. You have to understand where you're going. There are people who have money. They just need your skill to. So you're working today. You need to grow. You have to have attention that I want to grow. I want to become an investor. That I'm going to get to the position. I'll pick a market in this. I'll pick a trade in this market. And I can live for 6 months and I make money. I don't have to be having everyday palpitation. We will get you there, but let's give you earning strategies. And simple. You lose less and you get more. It's like rich to reward is off the roof. How many of you like the concept of what I'm sharing with you today? This is just the truth I share. It's not a presentation. This is just communication of truth. All right. You can see I'm not giving you any slide or presentation. No, these are truths about the strategies of truth. And all you just need to do is make a decision that you want to do it right. And we are ready to guide you. What we do every day, let me just share the screen right now. So just to help you guys understand, all right, what we do on a daily basis. So you come in. So this is our community, all right? When you get into Pewatnation, our first responsibility to you is to onboard you the right way, okay? Whether you're a pro trader, I don't know a pro trader. I just know a trader who's willing to follow instructions because I know you bought into this, all right, for a reason, the vision we have, all right, to give you access to equity. And for me to know that, I need proof, all right, that you can follow instructions. So get on a demo account, all right, get on board, download this thing if you have them. There's a team that audits you every day, all right? And what we want to see within your first week or 2 is you've downloaded an account, you know how to copy and paste, you funded an account, all right? And you're trading the trades we're giving you, okay? And you're having our results within your first week. If you can do so, voila, now you can. Because we just want you to duplicate, learn to copy, paste first, all right, before you think of earning. So when you know how to copy and paste, okay, we would give you the resource. You don't need to look for a trade. We're not telling you, we're not just teaching, we're not teaching. See, my focus is not to teach you first. I said something, I'm going to break it more down tomorrow. You are more prone to losses the more you know. Take that from me. All right. How many of you understand what I just said? Put in a 5 on the chat. The more you know, all right, the more you are a victim of losses. Put in a 5 on the chat if you understand what I just said. Okay. All right. All right. See, your knowledge puts you, all right, in harm's way. You think you know the market, don't know the market, all right? Hide from the market. And the only way to hide is strategy. Do something consistently that the market don't even understand. Because if you think you know this market, you begin to contradict the market itself, all right? I don't want to break that down today, but I could tell you my history. When I came into this environment, the only thing I learned from a mentor was stochastic and RSI. And I built a discipline of using stochastic and RSI, all right, to make $10, $20 from the market every single day. I did that for a period of 2 weeks. The moment I learned market structure, all right, I started losing money straight 3 to 4 weeks. I couldn't even do stochastic and RSI no more. Why? Contradiction has come in. The more the knowledge, the more your direction of the market changes, all right? The more your decisions are being, something is penetrating your decisions, okay? Because as you think you know what you want to buy this market, all right, someone else on a deeper time frame is selling it. So the only simple way is develop a strategy, and that's the strategy we put here today. I will put here in Pewatnation, all right? And what we do is this copy paste. The trades are going to come to you, all right? Just copy. I mean, if you know over the years, if you followed me over time, all right, you know that I have a very consistent winning ratio when it comes to trading, all right? Put in win on the chat. You can't take, there's one thing you can't take away from me. Okay, so what I want you to do is leverage over the win ratio. So the win ratio has not changed because I'm the same me, whether Forex or binary. So I trade binary. Do you know if you have the ability to just follow the trades we call, even on the binary on Forex session, you would have our results. So what I'm focused on is making you have that ability of copy and paste while I teach you to learn the same skill, but let's focus on the copy and paste. All right. So I believe you guys are seeing my screen. Okay. I'm sharing my screen right now. Can you guys see my screen? Okay. Put yes on the chat. Okay, good. So when you come in, there are strategies for everybody. Every chart has a strategy. So I have binary strategy. I have the Forex strategy, different Forex strategy. All right, different educators on the platform. Okay, what we have advised is when you come in, focus on the first one, which is the Pewatnation idea. All right. So here we come on live, but we also call trade ideas. I believe you guys can see the screen right now. Okay, I'm just going to share. I love to be so transparent. This is how we call our trades. All right. We give you trades. We give you here we give you trade in the simplest of format. Okay. Either buy, we're buying now, or buy limit, or sell limit, buy stop. We give you the entry, the stop loss, the risk to use for the trade, because now we have identified that you're not just a freelance trader. You have something you are attached to you. You're trading, leveraging over equity. And these people have rules. So we are trading with you knowing their rules. So all we just need you to do is follow our instructions. So we use risk. We tell you what risk to use. All right. We tell you when we're leaving the trade. And our results since we pre-launched, I could tell you that our result has been 90%. True or true, team? Okay, if I'm just being moderate, all right? 90% consistent on binary is over 90%, but on Forex, all right? So Forex is my new terrain. A lot of people don't know me for Forex. But for you guys, I just need you guys who are in the team right now. Most of you didn't know me for Forex, but so far, so good. The strategy we've been trading in Forex. Can you see, the truth is, I give you this permission. Some people think it's easy to respect a mentor. Do you think I wish I could just break down all. Time is enough. I would show you because we're so transparent, all right? All of our trades, okay, within the last 3 months, all right? Within the last 2-3 months, on Pewatnation, Okay, I believe we've done over 80 to 90 trades within the last 3 months. All right. And we've not lost 15 trades. Okay. If there is an auditor here from the start begin, you could contact me. I'll show you my screen. I'll show you all of the trades from 3 months ago and our Forex ideas. I'm just being honest. Okay. If you are outside the system, you want to know what I'm saying, message me. I'm going to show you every day. All right. What's that win ratio? It's up to 90%. So what does that mean? If you are someone who follows instruction, and I guarantee you, it's hard to follow instruction, but that is why a community like us can help you. Because even if you are weak, you find strength in others. There are people who started with us, they got their phase 1, got their phase 2, they lost it, all right? Because they didn't know the transition between phase 1 and phase 2. But because we are together, see, I share with people that if you could do it on your own, you wouldn't be here. You need an environment, all right? You become the product of an environment. And one of the things we've introduced into trading is an environment of people learning the skill, but having the success of leveraging the skill to earn while learning. So you stay in this environment over a period of 6 months to 1 year, you're going to be a 6-figure income earner in foundation. That is the goal of Pewatnation. True leverage. If in 6 months, you are able to get a $100,000 account and you pass, it takes you 6 months to pass an account. All right. How much are you going to be withdrawing? 10%. You guys let me know in the chat. Just let me know. 10% of 100,000 is how much? You guys just do a little math. It's 10K. All right. These investors, they share 80% as far as 85% with you. It means you could collect 8,500. What is the foundation of a 6-figure income earner monthly? $8,000. $8,000. So it means if you commit to this in 6 months, if it takes you 6 months, would they be willing? Would they be worthy, all right, of the effort and time of learning? Guys, let me know in the chat. Right? Like I'm saying this, I know it doesn't belong to everybody, but when you see the picture of what I just shared with you, all right, you know that is worth putting in the time. There is not money to leverage, not your money. All you need is the skill. If it takes you 6 months to learn the skill set of leverage, come on. It's worth it. All right. And that's what we do every day. You come and we have success story. I know there is someone here. I want to bring up someone. Okay. These are people who have been trading. I have so many of them. They've been trading. NG, are you here? Okay. She just got her certificate. She's been trading with us. I think just come and tell us. I don't want to say anything. Okay. Just let me know if you're here. I think I saw you just now. NG Evergreen. All right. You're here. Just come and share with the team. I know you're excited, but you keep it short. All right. Are you in a good place to share? I'm making you a co-host right now. Just share with the team. When did you get started? All right. And tell us how open, free, be very free. All right. Tell us our mistakes. We've lost, we've won, but we've done something consistent with the vision. Help people with what we say we do. All right. We give people access to getting funded using our resources. So when you came in, tell us shortly, how did you come in? All right. How's it been? And where are you right now?
Yeah, good evening, everyone. Good evening, my mentor. I'm so grateful. I'm super excited to be one of the pioneers of Pewatnation. I thank God for that. In fact, I joined this Pewatnation through my friend Vivian. And not only that, I've been with Kenvry from IM Academy to iGenius, then Pewatnation. But there's one thing that I found out. I have not known about this my Forex fund. That is, I didn't know that I can actually be funded and be trading with a huge amount. Equity has been my problem. So when I joined Nation and my mentor introduced us to this MFF account, I don't have, or actually I don't have enough to go for a bigger account. So I started with $50, which they funded me with $5,000 account. And I started, taking trades from our mentor here and all other educators. I had interest in price trap. So I followed naturally gifted Emmanuel. So I thank God that on my own, I can take trade. With that, I do my analysis, I reduce my risk, and I take trade. At times I win, at times I don't. But my win ratio is higher than my loss, the loss that I had. So my first 30 days, I wasn't able to, win my first phase. But I was lucky, I was above limit. That is, I had profit. So they now gave me second chance, which I now passed my first. It didn't take me time. I passed the second phase. And now I'm trading with live accounts. In fact, I give it all to God and to my mentor. I am very, very grateful. I am very happy. The day I won this account, I texted him. I said, my mentor, I have won my phase 2. And he was like, that's great. So in fact, I give it all to him. I am so grateful. I am super excited. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, my mentor. Thank you, my educators, naturally gifted. In fact, you are super, super educator. Thank you, everyone.
All right, beautiful. That's one experience amongst many. I think I was looking at for one of our other students in Germany. All right, Ludwig, but I think it's working right now. It's not here. We have other people who have passed their phase 1. All right, some people on their phase 2. Some people are on their live account. Now, the thing is, the goal of Pewatnation within the next 6 months and by the end of 2023, between 500 families and 1,000 families will have a 6-figure foundation through leveraging over these equity platforms and also leveraging over our resources. We make it easy for you. You may not be a pro trader, but do you know how to copy and paste? All right, you can hear what you said. There's something I want to bring out so that you guys know. And I said it sometimes in the classes. You could do this on your own when you follow an environment of leverage. All right. We teach you the skill. Not only we could build a brand just giving you resources to pass accounts. No, our goal is to educate and liberate. All right. I want you to be my competitor because I know that if you learn how to trade like me, you could partner with me and extending this vision to people. So I teach you what I know. Okay. But before you get to know what I know, I also give you the resource to earn from what I know. So eventually we are educating to liberate. Now she can trade. She doesn't have to be in Pewatnation. All right. She can take trades on her own because the knowledge of the strategy we give is a dangerous one. All right. I know I sat with Emmanuel before we came up with putting it official as our strategy, which is the price trap. All right. Now I'm teaching price trap 2.0, price action. So amazing. I'm giving you everything about the market because I know that it's not the skill set that's going to make you a success. So you can learn what I know, but that's not, you could know what I know, but that's not going to make you the kind of money it's making me, or it's making you the way it's making me money. Because it's what I do with the knowledge I have, all right, above the skill set. So that's why we are partners, all right? Everybody's a pioneer today with Pewatnation. And we believe we could drive this vision to many families. That's what we have in Pewatnation. We have many stories, but we want you to be the foundation of the success stories we want to create through leverage. A lot of people call it copy-paste. It's a simpler language. Do you know how to copy and paste and make money? All right, we give you resources. We have over 15 sessions every day. All right, more than 8 sessions of binary. All right, and more than 8 sessions of Forex. Okay, and you could leverage every day, just copy and paste. And while you learn the skill set, it goes together because you earn it and you retain it through the skill set. All right, if you're asking today, we have a website. You can actually go to www.pewatnation.com and you're going to see everything. All right. One of the things I wanted to share with you guys on Discord, not only, so when you get started, you're going to be added on Discord. These are the price trap. We'll cut some trades today. All right. Yeah, this is how we call our trades. We give you the entry. We've called AUD USD. That has done TP. All right. We've called GBP USD. That has done TP. We are running a trade right now, USD CHF. That is also running. Okay. So everybody, see, this is the trade. Look at the results. So we have same trades. Everybody on the nation, we have same trade. We don't just give you technical ideas that you would use your experience to enter. We tell you when to enter. All right. So we all have same trade. We all have same risk. So if we get $100,000 account and they get $5,000 account, we're going to pass it at the same time if we start the same time. All right. Because we use the same risk and we enter at the same time. That's the unity. Okay. We want to take the indiscipline, anything that's going to make indiscipline out of this space. We took it out. So the only thing you do is, the only mistake we would have adopted is not to onboard you rightly, but we also onboarded you so that you know what we do. All right. So it's easier for you when you follow this approach to become a skilled trader, but leveraging over the investors and using their money to make money with the skill. That way you accumulate enough to become an investor. That is our goal. All right. And you feel this is beautiful. And many more things are coming. And I'll be here to share, all right, with you guys an amazing feat today. Okay, so we pre-launched in December. And by the grace of God, we are having our first event. I need everybody to put some fire emojis on the chat. All right, we're having our first Pewatnation event. Okay, put some fire emojis on the chat. And it's happening in the city of Lagos. And this creates an opportunity for pioneership. I want to use that word. Let me share this quickly. I believe you guys can see my screen. Let's see. All right. So this is one of the unique things. Which one is sharing out? Okay. So what other opportunity do you have in Pewatnation? So as a pioneer, you have two opportunities to become, all right, someone who's making money as a trader and someone who's making money as a business person. I know this environment, I focused on two people. I focused on the leader and I focused on the product, the service, which is the trader, okay? Because I have a unique service. I'm attracting people from all over the world, all right? And I don't want a leader who's coming in here and just hands up. All right. Some people move with their team. Okay. So we created something unique to empower leadership. All right. To empower growth. And guess what? It will make you a sustainable leader. All right. I've been in the product service environment. Okay. A better part of my success has been in sales. So I can't take it away from sales. Every wealth is rendered through sales. All right. And we know one of the things that is going to really make this grow, all right, it's when we launch out with results, sales is going to come in. So we've prepared for sales. We have a very beautiful and very lucrative reward program. One of the things this platform is designed is not only empower people with the skill set, but the platform itself is going to give back, all right, to the environment, to expand, all right. So right about now, we have a reward program of up to 35%, okay, that is going for expansion. What is expansion? The sales growth. So what does it mean? If I come into this environment as a student and I help other people get started, all right, I'm going to be getting paid to the tune of 35%. That's crazy, all right? It's crazy. I'm not going to take today to break it down, all right? But one of the things we're going to do, we're going to expose to you a unique reward program, all right, in our upcoming event that is going to empower leaders. Some of you built with brands that don't have sustainability in product, okay? What if you have this success? Imagine, this is one thing I tell the team, okay? Imagine in the next 6 months or 1 year, you helped 50 families become six-figure traders. Not only you have your name and reputation, but you're going to make crazy money, okay? So we're having an event, physical event in the city of Lagos, all right, February 11th, all right, 4 Point Hotel, opposite Sheraton in Victoria Island. And it's going to be a unique session that will be happening physical, and it's also going to be streaming. I believe you guys are seeing I'm sharing the screen, right? Are you guys seeing my screen? I know you guys on Instagram, you are out, right? But everything I'm showing you guys right now, you could actually go on the YouTube, you see all of this. Am I sharing my screen? All right, good. So this is the information, all right? And it's going to be streamed globally to every part of every connecting leader. So it's something that I want you guys to, and it's our medium of growth. Okay, you want to grow your business. Many people don't know this. All right, what we're doing right now, a lot of people don't understand. They don't even know that there's some, like Evergreen just shared with you guys. She's been in this environment. She's followed me. It means she's been following this environment of trading and learning over a period of a year. All right, if I'm correct, or probably two. But she never knew that there was an opportunity for a trader to get funded. All right, now she's empowered. With this knowledge, imagine how many people you could empower. All right, so this is a time for growth. All right, and we're willing to fund growth. So we're going to be launching two beautiful, unique products on growth. And we're also going to be launching some unique incentives on this platform. I want you to be the first, all right, to experience this, to actually get access to this event. The link is there. We're going to be posting it in all of the group, our expression group, the Instagram, our Telegram. If you're not on Telegram, you should. All right. If you're not connected to any of this platform, just reach out to me only on Instagram, all right, or connect to the person who placed you on this call. I've seen that there are a group of people, or some people, that have positioned themselves to scam people in the name of I am Kenry. So I don't communicate on Telegram, all right? I only communicate on Instagram on two handles. I am Kenry, all right, and Pewatnation. If any other person is talking to you, don't. And if you're not too sure you're talking to me, request for a video call or call. I'm going to call you. All right. This is not the time. 2023 is not the time to lose money. All right. Be very careful. I've got information. A lot of people have actually, been victims of, impersonators. So don't. I'm actually saying this live right now because I don't want you to be a victim of an impersonator. Connect with me directly. Connect with the person who placed you on this call. Let's get you started. All right. If you go on the website to get started right now, we have a 3-month plan. All right, let me just quickly share this, because we're taking you on a journey. You could actually go on the website right now, all right, and every information I've shared with you, you're going to get on sign up, or welcome, about us, our face, okay, our uniqueness. Then you want to sign up right about now. You click on this. It's going to take you to the sign up page directly. You click on, all right, signing up. You're going to get direct, it's loading, right? Hold on. You click here, it's going to take you direct to the sign up page, and you can sign up. We have a package, a 3-month package running, right? It's a pioneer package, because we believe we are eradicating excuses. All right. This is not a 1-month trial. We're not telling you to come and test it. We're telling you to come and become. Okay. If you don't believe in it, don't start. Okay. But if you want to do this, you need time. So we have a 3-month package for a start, all right, of $350 for 3 months. Okay. After which you cannot do monthly, but to start is $350, and that's even a promo. Okay. And I know some people don't understand why I said so. So get started, get back to the person who placed you on. I don't know. Have any question? We're willing to take your questions. You can go through the website. Every information you need, all right, is on this website. All right. We're looking forward to working with you in Pewatnation. Don't forget, click on the link or get the info to get your ticket for the event. Every member of the team, I introduce something to you, all right, that is the skill to earn and the skill to grow. If you understand, a lot of you just focus on the skill to earn. That is kind of growth. You have to be conscious of growth. Money follows growth. All right. Today I'm successful not because of what I know in the skill. I'm successful based on my service with the skill. Okay. So I can make money, I can earn money with the skill, but I make money with the wealth of service. All right. It's something you want to learn, and it's something that we're all willing to teach. I've learned it from mentorship. I've learned it from the word of God. All right. Service to many leads to greatness. You want to serve people with the solution. And this is the solution we have. You want to serve. It's little way, just sharing this information with other people. You don't know how many people you're going to bless, all right, with this information. And at the same time, you're creating a structure of residual income, and you're getting blessed by impacting others. So be a partner, much as a pioneer with Pewatnation. We're looking to ride in and work with you to impacting thousands of families, all right, to become successful in the trading environment and having a huge, I love what my media guy always call it, huge equity. It's fun, all right, when you're trading with other people's money. Okay, so get started. See you at the top, not from the top, because you know what they say, the bottom is way too crowded. Stay connected, all right, and follow instruction. Thank you, each and every one of you, for taking that time, all right. It's 1 hour you spend with us. I believe it's been of value. Put value on the chat if you got value. And if you have any question, okay, hold on. Let me see if there are anything directed to me. All right. This is recorded on the Instagram, on YouTube. You could actually click on this, share. All right. Someone who didn't attend, you could just click on this link and you share with them. All right. Connect with me directly if I'm the person who's connected with you directly on this. And connect with the person who brought you on is very, very important. All right, let's get you started. All right, and let's run this race. Bye-bye.